Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to OPPO Reno 8T. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive next to Send at the bottom of your OPPO. Also on OPPO, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. When you're ready, select Close this window and go back to Motorola. Now click on all of those dots from all of those categories and then select Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now select the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on OPPO. Choose while using the app or only this time. And point your camera at the code. If you want to, you can always input this key over here instead. And then hit Receive button. Sorry, a typo. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!